Hey there! If you're facing the frustrating, unfortunately, app has stopped error on your Android device, I've got some quick tips to help you get back on track without losing any data. Let's dive into 10 solutions to fix those pesky app crashes and keep your phone running smoothly. Part 1. Why does the app stop on Android? Low memory or storage. Free up space to prevent crashes. Corrupted cache or data. Clear cache or data to fix issues. Software bugs. Update your app or OS to fix bugs. Incompatible updates or app conflicts. Check for compatibility and app conflicts. Part 2. Fix unfortunately app has stopped on Android. 9 basic ways. Way 1. Restart your phone. Way 2. Wipe the app cache. Further exploration. If wiping the app cache doesn't work, uninstalling and reinstalling the problematic app often fixes the issue. To do so, to fix the app error, go to Settings Apps, find the app, and hit Uninstall. Then reinstall it from the Google Play Store. Way 3. Update your app. Open the Google Play Store and tap the menu icon. Select My Apps and Games. Go to the Updates tab, find the app, and tap Update if available. Way 4. Check for RAM and storage. Way 5. Uninstall Android WebView. Way 6. Verify the SD card. Way 7. Update Android system. Way 8. Run your app in safe mode. Way 9. Factory reset your device. Part 3. Fix app has stopped on Android via professional tool. For tough system issues, try Android System Repair. It can fix app crashes, screen issues, and performance problems without hardware fixes. Step 1. Start by installing and launching the System Repair tool on your computer. Once the application is open, navigate to the System Repair tab and connect your Android device to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. In the left-hand menu, select Android Repair, review the available options, and click Start. In the following window, enter the required information about your device and click Next to continue. Step 3. Input 00000 in the specified field and click Confirm. Please note that using this repair tool may lead to data loss on your smartphone. Step 4. To access download mode on your device. For devices with a home button, turn off the device, then simultaneously press the Sprint, Home, Power, and Volume Down buttons for approximately 10 seconds. Release all buttons and then press Volume Up to enter download mode. For devices without a home button, power off the device, then press and hold the Power, Bixby, and Volume Down buttons for about 10 seconds. Release the buttons and then press Volume Up. Step 5. Once the phone is in download mode, click Next to download the firmware. The software will then initiate the repair process for the unfortunately. The app has stopped error on Android and assist in exiting safe mode automatically.